how to add product image slider on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can simply add in a product image slider on your Shopify store. So firstly, come on to shopify.com. Over here, you guys are going to see this particular dashboard. Now from over here, you guys can simply sign up by putting in your email address, and then after that, or simply log in by clicking on login over here. So I'm going to log in now and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. Once you guys have logged in successfully, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to see. So now from over here, you guys can just simply add in products onto your Shopify store. So on the left side, click on apps, click on recommended apps, and click on the Shopify app store at the bottom. Now from over here, simply click on the search bar that you guys are going to see in 1 second. Click on that. And then after that, simply type in product. And then after that, you guys are going to see product image. So from over here, simply click on product image slider. And now you guys are going to see all of these plugins come up. Simply click on product image slider carousel. And then after that, you guys can just simply add this particular application to your Shopify store. And then you guys will be able to see a product image slider. And you guys can basically make your landing page more pleasant. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.